Imagine floating in the vastness of space, surrounded by the wonders of the solar system. As I gaze upon the celestial bodies, I am in awe of their beauty and complexity. First, we have the Sun, the mighty star at the center of it all. Its fiery energy fuels life on Earth and lights up our days. But it's not alone. Orbiting around it are 8 planets, each with its own unique characteristics. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a scorching hot world. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, experiences extreme temperatures and a runaway greenhouse effect. Earth, our home, teems with life and boasts stunning landscapes. Mars, often called the Red Planet, has fascinated scientists for its potential to support life. Jupiter, the largest planet, is a gas giant with swirling storms and a mesmerizing array of colorful bands. Saturn, famous for its majestic rings, is a sight to behold. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, are located in the outer reaches of the solar system. They possess a mysterious beauty, with their icy atmospheres and unique ring systems. And let's not forget about Pluto, once considered the 9th planet. Although reclassified as a dwarf planet, it still holds a special place in our hearts. As I drift through space, I am reminded of the vastness and complexity of our solar system. It is a testament to the wonders of the universe and our insatiable curiosity to explore it. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible journey that our solar system takes us on. It's a reminder that we are just a small part of something much bigger, and the possibilities are endless. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for the stars. Taking sight, one that fills you with awe and curiosity. Mercury, the closest to the Sun, is a scorching hot world. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, has a runaway greenhouse effect. And Mars, the red planet, holds the promise of future exploration. Jupiter, the largest planet, is a swirling storm of gas and has its own mini solar system of moons. Saturn, famous for its majestic rings, is a sight to behold. Uranus, mysterious and captivating in their own right. And let's not forget the countless moons, asteroids, and comets that dance around these celestial bodies, adding to the cosmic spectacle. As we explore the solar system, we uncover the secrets of our universe and gain a deeper understanding of our place in it.